And now, your KY3 Storm Team forecast.
It's great to get that rain, but we're still playing catch-up.
That's the thing, where we aren't quite to the point where it's a big concern, where it's showing up on a drought monitor, but about 1.5 inches of rain behind for the year. It's probably enough that it was a welcome sight to see those wet sidewalks today. We're finally going to start to bring some more green back into the grass, hopefully, as we bring in that chance for showers. The bad news is it won't be for everyone. You'll notice on the Doppler radar, there's not a whole lot going on. As we zoom in, probably closer to the Springdale area, you'll see between about Fayetteville and Rogers, Arkansas, there are a few areas of rainfall showing up. Right now, I'm not seeing any lightning with this, but it was a very different story earlier this morning. Just 6 hours ago, look at that big push of rainfall that moved through. Now, some of you, especially our far eastern counties, you're probably wondering what happened. We only got a few clouds, and you'll notice that area of rainfall was really concentrated just off to the west. As we zoom in a little bit with these 24-hour rainfall totals, it was parts of eastern Kansas, especially down, say, by the Chanute area, that they picked up over 2 inches of rainfall, and that was just the number reported at the airport. Now, compare that to the Springfield airport, where we saw just over 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. We did have reports of a few tree limbs down, nothing major with the damage reports to this, but we did see some very welcome rain, and you can see just from that picture that not everyone got it, and I think that's going to be continuing to be the trend as we head throughout the day today, even into the day tomorrow. We'll continue to keep a close eye on that chance for a few thunderstorms, probably more spotty than widespread, before some drier air gets here by the end of the week. And of course, the drier air means some more sunshine and warmer temperatures heading our way. In the meantime, though, especially those of us who had the rain, we still have the clouds out. We're looking at a temperature drop of about 10 to 15 degrees compared to yesterday, which is bringing spots like Springfield down to 78 degrees, even cooler down toward Monette, where we're getting reports of 73, 72 degrees for Rogers. And of course, farther east you go, we have less clouds, didn't have that rain-cooled air from this morning. And we are climbing up into the lower 80s, 82 degrees for both Salem and West Plains. Cameras out by Table Rock Lake. Not only did we get that dry scan out on the radar, but you can see the clouds breaking up just a little bit. We do have a few people out on the lake enjoying a few peaks of sunshine here or there, and I think probably more than anything, enjoying some of the cooler weather. Now, our high-resolution futurecast, it is certainly overdoing the amount of rainfall for this initial scan, but I do think it has one thing right, that we'll be seeing those showers coming and going throughout the afternoon. Let's compare this to another one of our in-house models, which again, majorly overdoing any amount of rainfall out there now. And it is showing that we could see a few breaks in the clouds, allowing us to heat up this afternoon, close to 90 degrees for everyone. End of the day tomorrow and even Thursday, I think just like we saw this morning, most of us will be staying dry, but it's going to be the heat that we start focusing closer to the weekend. Still steamy out there for the afternoon. We'll keep climbing up closer to 90 degrees. And of course, drier you were this morning, and earlier you see the sunshine, well, more likely you are to hit those lower 90s. As we progress throughout the week, again tomorrow, I think we'll see a few spotty opportunities for some thunderstorms. So I think that'll be later into the afternoon and early evening hours for tomorrow that you want to keep a close eye on the clouds. Remember that saying, when thunder roars, go indoors. I think that's important to mention because we'll be seeing some more comfortable temperatures, just highs in the 80s before that steam heat starts to really pick up by the weekend. And that's going to be where we could be talking about heat index values closer to triple digits. So especially if you'll be outside, maybe going to that Springfield Cardinals game, think about drinking more water and busting out that light, loose-fitting clothing as well.
One of Elon Musk's